Hello students, this is Semfano with Esha Academy, where we teach people in demand tech skills. Thank you for tuning into our channel, and we request that you subscribe, share, and like and comment on our videos in order for us to keep on producing similar content. Thank you. Now we are going to talk about the search function, which is another text function. As you can see, it looks just the same as the find function in terms of the arguments that it takes. It takes the find text, within text, and start num. And start num is optional. And the definition of the function is search. Just as the Excel find function, the search function retains the position of a specified character or substring within a text string. The first two arguments are required, and the third one is compulsory, is optional. The find text represents the character or substring you want to find or search. The text string, the within text, represents the text string to search from or to be searched within. Then the start num is optional, specifies from which character the search shall begin. If omitted, the search starts from the first character of the within text string. These are the things to bear in mind when using the search function. It is case insensitive, meaning that it doesn't matter the case that you use for your find text. Even if the within text is in uppercase and you search using lowercase, you're going to find the character that you're looking for. Even if the within text is lowercase and you search within uppercase, you're going to find the position of the character that you're looking for. Wildcard characters. Unlike the find function, it allows wildcard character searches. Several characters. If the find text contains more than one character, it retains the position of the first character. I've made an example before that if we in the character word you want to search for CH, it is only going to retain the position of the character C. Several occurrences. If within text contains several occurrences of find text, the first occurrence is retained. For example, in occurrences, we have about 3 C's and we want to search for CH. It is only going to retain the position of the first C. It's not going to bother itself with position for the remaining C's. Empty strings. If the find text is an empty string, it retains the position of the first character in the search string. That is clear and straightforward. Cell ranges. It cannot be used to search from a cell range. It gives a hash value error. The hash value error. The find function retains this error if, that is the search, that's supposed to be the search function retains this error if find text does not exist in the within text string. Start num is greater than the number of characters in the within text. Start num is 0 or a negative number. This is pretty much the same as the find function. The only difference between the find function and the search function is that the search function is case insensitive and it can work with wildcard characters. The rest will be the same with the find function. Now let's head over to our spreadsheet and demonstrate how the search function works. I'm going to place my position there as well. I'm also looking for the position as with the find function. Right, I've got my find function over there. These are the parameters that will take. So I'm going to look for a small letter M to demonstrate its case insensitivity. I'm looking for an M from here, from computer. It's gonna Oops, I used the find function, so I was supposed to use the search function, right? Just look for the search function. There is the search function. I'm going to look for a small letter M from computer, which has capital letters, and it's gonna give me the answer. I'm looking for a small letter from a string that contains capital letters, which means that this function is case insensitive. That is the difference between the find function and the search function. The rest is going to function the same, except that with the search function, I can also use wildcard searches. For example, I'm going to search for a U from the word computer. It's going to return even if I use the wildcard search. If I want to find an asterisk, I'm going to add a tilde. That is a tilde. Let me just type it here quickly. This is the tilde character. Oops. Okay, this is the tilde character. Let me just increase the font so that you see it. You can see it on your keyboard. It goes with the apostrophe. So this is the one that you use. For example, I have an X, an asterisk in my string over there, and I want to look for it. I'm going to type the tilde and an asterisk. I want to look for the position of the asterisk. It's going to return a 9 because it's on position number 9. Okay. And then let's say I also have a question mark in my string. If I want to find a question mark in my string, these are the things that you cannot use with the find function, but it's possible with the search function. You also use a tilde, then you type your question mark, then you type your within text. It's going to return the position of the question mark. I don't know what's happening with my cell over there. Okay, let me just use a different cell. Okay, search for a question mark. I'm using a tilde. For my string over there, it returns a 10, as you can see. Oops, it doesn't want to return anything. Oh, because I'm on show formulas, so I have to hide formulas. Okay, there you go. It's now displaying the correct answers. So this is how you use the find and the search functions. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.